Carry on.
So here is Tiger King.
Louder.
If you have any question, you may ask.
Excuse me,
Yes.
why did you ban the hunting tiger in your kingdom?
Because this is my target to kill 100 tigers, and in the front of being anyone can kill 100 tigers. That's why I found banned to kill 100 tiger. If anyone stole any stone, his all wealth and his all properties would be
Would be
confiscated.
confiscated or seized. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Speak louder. Mr. Pranjal.
If you came in this world, you know that when you came in this world, we have to go from this world. Then why you started to kill the tigers?
Because the great astrologer predicted that you will be killed in one day because of 100 tiger. And being a Maharaja, it's my own duty that to prove any target very easily. That's why.
Okay.
That means you know that it is universal truth that who is come on earth he has to dead. So
Yes,
why did you start a tiger hunting? Means
Why did you start tiger hunting? Very good. If you that death is a universal truth,
Yeah.
why did you start tiger hunting to save yourself?
Because as you all know that late astrologer said that predicted that your good death would be 100 tiger. But I think that Maharaja, being a Maharaja, it is not. Sir, उसे कोई हरा नहीं सकता वो.
No one can defeat you.
No one can defeat him because of Maharaja, we can't defeat anyone.
but
That's
it is
why.
certain that no one can change his future. So why did you try to change your future?
Because as a late Maharaja, it is depend on me. That's what my aim was.
Bhavika, what are you getting for it?
Excuse me, sir. Can you explain that one line? The operation was successful, but the tiger king was dead.
Very good. Why they are very happy? We began for voice. Yes.
Pardon me, question?
Can you explain that one line? The tiger king operation was successful, but the tiger king was dead.
Operation was successful, but the tiger
Tiger
was
was
dead.
dead.
Louder and clearly, okay, so that the camera will catch clearly.
Okay, sir. So it means line means that my death was killed by a wooden tiger because my son's birthday is there, and there's a piercing on my right hand, and on the 4th and 5th day there's a flattering sore in my arms, and the Madras surgeons would come in for operation, and they say that operation would be that because it means that my real death, what late astrologer said about this, is become true. That's why he said that the tiger took its revenge.
Excuse me.
Yeah. Excuse, Miss Suhani.
Why did you married with a girl, but your father married with a
Sword.
sword, and your grandfather married with a gun?
I married with a girl because I want to kill, because in a 10 years I did 70 tigers, but 30 are
I
remaining.
needed 30 tigers.
30 tigers remaining, but I want the equal population in the other areas in the native state. That's why I married that girl with native state and the best population in Tiger King.
Anybody else? Question, please. Yes, Ruchi. Louder,
How
louder.
did you brought up? I brought up by an English tutor, and I milk an English cow. And
I drank
English milk of English cow.
No, I drank the milk of an English cow and
I only see an English
I
cow.
was tutored everything in English by the English.
No.
Okay.
You never saw Hindi movies.
Students and you know, never. Anybody else? The last question we were on to ask, Mrs. Sneha. Move the camera towards her.
What was the reason you cannot pay attention of his family? What was the reason you cannot pay attention of his
You
family?
could not. You
You
could not pay attention towards your family.
Because
What were the reasons?
because my aim was to killing only 100 tigers, nothing else, and that's why I didn't kill.
But your responsibility of his family.
You began for Sneha. Very good. Carry on.
Yeah, this is also true, but I think that Maharaja is, no one can defeat Maharaja. That's why it's my main aim to kill 100 tigers.
My main aim was to kill
100
100 tigers. Okay, fine. Anybody else?
Sir.
Yes. Moving camera towards Bhavika.
Sir, what did you say to the astrologer to prove him wrong?
Again, over here.
What did you say to the astrologer to prove him wrong?
What did you say,
To
astrologer?
astrologer. To prove him wrong.
Prove him wrong.
Right.
So I can't
What did you say? Means that what was the miracle and how did it happen? What happened there? 10 years old.
Yeah, when I was at least 10 years old, I speak that there is no any prediction about the astrologer. I think that astrologer want to see my real prediction, how I will death. That's all.
Okay, fine. So give me hands for the entire team. Close it.